Changing your profile picture on Zoom is a straightforward process that can enhance your virtual presence. Follow these steps to update your profile picture. Step 1. Sign into Zoom. Open the Zoom application or go to the Zoom website and sign into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access your profile. Once logged in, navigate to the Profile section. This can usually be found in the left sidebar or under your account settings. Step 3. Edit profile picture. Look for the option to edit your profile picture. Click on the camera icon or change button next to your current picture. Step 4. Upload a new picture. Select the option to upload a new photo. Choose a file from your device that you want to use as your profile picture. Ensure the image meets CMS requirements for size and format. Step 5. Save changes. After uploading the new picture, make sure to save your changes. You should see the updated profile picture reflected in your profile. Now your Zoom profile picture is updated. Enjoy your enhanced virtual meetings with a fresh look.